VGA Script Development Site. VGA Cloud Digital Lab. Okay, so at VGA, what we do, we just like write script for video and audio and various other types of forms. We're going to give you a demonstration on the newest thing that we just did. So normally, a lot of videos I did on the HTML5 generator over the years, since it's been a long time since the first version, the second version, every year a new version of the file, right? Always upgrading it. So the file grew a lot. And we have the dark mode generator 2.1. That's like the ultimate generator. Embodied about 5 different list players and audio, create store pages, almost a lot of different. You can just create a whole website with it. So we break it down to try to get just a video generator. And I choose the best video script within the program to rewrite into the new program. It's much easier. Now, if you're on the web and you have a website and you want to do something really fast on the fly, you want something that you're just going to click a few buttons rather than really trying to go to like a repository or someplace and then grab the code and come back into the page, open the editor and set it in, and you're trying to design it and try to figure out how you want to do it. Well, we just make some pre-code and the templates too. Now you can tweak the template, and change the background color or the size and certain things on the template, because you can go into the source code. It's available once it's generated, and you have to have prior knowledge of web development, right? Or script development to make changes. And then you can link us and then we'll tell you what to do. Okay, so I'm right here in the generator, and this one is a really simple. And if you've been like following most of the videos them on YouTube on the generator, you see that it's a really big generator. But this is like a small dialog box. I just have a few fields in it. That's necessary to create just a page on the fly. One thing I'm going to introduce to it is adding more templates. Well, it's more like a YouTube type template, so it's that YouTube look. And it's got the same sidebars on it and the same drop-down menu, just like if you're in YouTube. So it's sort of like a, not exactly, but a similar copy. And what you call a more a corporate video template that I have behind the whole thing. So you can change it, like I say, once you start using the program. So we're gonna like create a YouTube. And this YouTube is like, title of it's Battle Under the Heavens. So I took this records from YouTube a long time. The thing about computer and the fields in the program, once I type something inside my fields, it will remember it, because the program have a cookie system inside of it that allows it to remember everything that I type. And so when I come back, if I really want to reuse that image or that file from, that video, I don't really have to retype it again. I just click on the fields and I'll see it and I'll just choose it. So it's almost every time, okay, if you're using a program and then you come in it, and every time you introduce a new set of video script in text to the box, it will remember it for you. So in case you need to change it or change it around, you can always do that. Okay, so we're gonna generate a single YouTube video player. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna view this player. Okay, so this create just one single video page, right? And it's, you see that I click on it? If you click on it, it will give you full screen, normal thing. And the reason why I'm clicking on it is to show you that normally, if you take a video from YouTube by iframe and otherwise, and you put it into any player, and you click on it, it's going to send it back to YouTube. But this player is more an intelligent player. We are more pulling the records. So when we pull in the records, we're not really using YouTube player or YouTube web script. I'm using my web script and actually just grab the film, you know, like that. So that's a quick demonstration of we create like a single video player. So we don't need to really do too much either to create like a list of videos that you may want to play, right? And you want them to play automatically play behind each other. So, well, we're not gonna choose another video right now. We could, but let's just let me see. I might have another. So let's look first. I think I had another YouTube video thing in there. So like I was saying, I don't see it, so I didn't introduce one. But for the most part, let's take a little time and for my browser, right? And we're gonna go over to YouTube right now. All right? So we're gonna log into YouTube. Wait for the browser to like come up. Okay, first I think I'll grab the description first. All right. Now let's click on over to the program first, and then we'll take the description and the records from YouTube. And I'll show you how to, or what we said, we'll take in the records, what we are talking about. Okay, first, we'll let the commercial go by, and we'll stop the player. Grab the description, right? Come back over to the editor, right? Clear this old description out, because we're going to work with something new, right? Add this description here. So the same thing, if you are inside of the unit, like designing, you can have YouTube in one tab, and then you can go back over to the top. So now we're gonna go over now, we're gonna get the records from YouTube. So normally also, I'll click on the image and save the image to my desktop. Then I'll definitely reload the image back to the system, and then I'll use it to identify the video. So here we'll just take the records itself. We won't take an embed because we're not embedding anything. So if you embed a video, then all embeds have a backward links to YouTube. You click on the embed, it will reload the video in YouTube for you. So now we're gonna add this new record, right, in the system. Cool. And we'll generate another YouTube video. Okay, and then generate the player, view the player, and this is like 1, 2, 3. Okay, did I get a second generation? Okay, my bad. I'm right on cue still, but what I did, let's clean this out. What I did, I forgot I cleaned the other one out too completely. So let's clean this out. Generate a new one. I could go and change it still. So we're just trying to show you like a good way when you work with a program. It's not perfect, so we'll try to do some stuff. So what I saw in the program that okay, to identify with the program and stuff, we need to change the title, right? That kind of way in the program. So we identify the different video. Okay. So we had a new title, right? Then we generate that one. So we'll take out that title, all right? Put back Battle into the Heavens, and we also remove this record as well. And add back the original records. So you see now it shows the two new records that's there. Okay. So we'll generate the second one, and then we can do the page now. And we can view it. So now we have two different videos. So it gives us the new video, you see? And we're gonna play that. But I'm also gonna click another video, and we'll load that as well. So that's how easy it is to generate a video. And also the player is a player that play a video one behind each other. Okay? So let's go to actually doing an MP3 for video, and it's the same thing. So we're just gonna actually show you that you can load, even demonstrate that you can really make a list or anything because we already did that, right? And we're just like, okay, let's change the title. And we're not going to really do a description. We're just going to change the title to the actual video. Choose the video, one single video. Go to MP4 and choose that, and go back and just to demonstrate that it actually makes the MP3 video as well. Generate and view. So there you go, right? So that's how easy it is to generate videos for your page. Okay? So thanks if you're viewing the short clip of the update on how to create a video page using HTML5 generator, gold video generator, I should say. HTML5 VGA HTML5 gold video generator, the new version. Okay.